Hi there and welcome to Recycling and Quarrying Machinery. As a follow-up to the last video where I spoke to Danny Morgan, here we are again and we're talking about the new rotor screen that Matec is introducing into their plants in the UK. Well, here I am today. I'm with the director of Matec UK, Mr. Danny Morgan, and I've got a couple of questions for Danny. Danny.
George, good to see you.
Nice to see you as well, and thanks for taking the time out to come and speak with me.
You're very welcome, George. You're very welcome.
I've had a look around the wash plant, and there's some things I can't believe how clean some of the material is to begin with. But could you tell me, see this thing that we're looking at here, Danny, what is that?
A lot of people ask that question, George. What this unit is here, this is the Matec patented RotoSieve.
Right.
This gives us the ability, George, to clean the water a lot finer than anybody else. And this has been a big thing on recycled material. The ability to clean the material a lot better.
So it's a huge thing.
It's a big advancement. This is our first one installed into a UK plant, and this gives us the ability. As you can see, George, around the products, they're much cleaner than anything's gone before on recycled aggregates or sand.
All right.
So this is a biggie for us, and we're going to put this throughout all our wash plants up and coming into the UK installs. So keep an eye on this one, George.
I certainly will. Hey, Danny, thank you.
Thank you, George.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Thanks very much for watching. I hope you know a little bit more about the rotor screen now than probably I did when I first seen it. So if you have any questions about the rotor screen or anything like that, why don't you call Danny? His number's down below here. Give him a call and he can sort you out. Thanks for watching.